Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the super handy process of sorting your data from A to Z in Google Sheets. If you've ever stared at a messy spreadsheet and wondered how to quickly organize your information, maybe you've got a list of names, dates, or events, this tutorial is going to make your life a whole lot easier. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sort any column alphabetically, and you'll never sweat over a jumbled list again. Alright, let's jump straight in. First things first, you want to start by selecting your data. This step is really important because you don't just want to click on one single cell, you need to highlight the entire range of information you want to sort. Think of it like picking up a stack of cards, not just one card at a time. That way, when you shuffle things around, all the related info stays together. So click and drag your mouse across your data, making sure to include all the rows and columns you care about. Once your data is selected, look up to the top menu and find where it says Data. Click on that and you'll see an option that says Sort Range. Go ahead and click it. Next, you'll notice there's something called Advanced Range Sorting Options. That's the one you want, so click on that to open up a few more detailed settings. I know it might feel like an extra step, but trust me, using these advanced options gives you more control and helps avoid little mistakes, especially if you're dealing with a big spreadsheet. Now here's a crucial detail. You'll see a checkbox that says Data has header row. Make sure to check this box if the top row of your selection contains headers like the titles of your columns, maybe things like event, date, or attendee. This tells Google Sheets not to mix up your headers with your actual data during the sort, which is super important. If you accidentally skip this step, your beautiful header row could end up lost somewhere in the middle of your list, and nobody wants that. So just double check and tick that box if you have headers. After that, look for the drop-down labeled Sort By. Here, you'll pick the specific column you want to organize, like Event. Click on it and select the column you're targeting. This gives you the flexibility to sort by anything you need, maybe the name of the event, maybe the date, whatever makes sense for your list. Next, you'll choose whether you want to sort it to Z or Z to A. If you pick A to Z, Google Sheets will arrange things in ascending order, think alphabetically, from at the top down to Z at the bottom. If you need the reverse order, maybe you want the latest dates or names starting with Z at the top, then go for Z to A. Just click the option that fits your needs. Once that's set, hit the Sort button and voila, your entire sheet instantly rearranges itself, keeping all your rows intact but neatly ordered. If you've got a massive spreadsheet, this part might take a moment or two, but don't worry, it's working in the background. And just like that, your data is cleaned up and easy to scan. And that's all there is to it. You're now a pro at sorting A to Z in Google Sheets. I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your data more confidently. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.